Today, in this video, let's talk about the prepositions for describing trends in IELTS academic writing. Number 1. In. It is used to specify time, location or context. For example, there was a significant rise in sales in 2020. Number 2. Of. Of is used to indicate the extent, measure or nature of a trend. For instance, a growth of 15% was recorded in the first quarter. Number 3. To. It is used to describe a point reached as a result of a trend. For example, the unemployment rate fell to 5%. Number 4. By. By is used to show the amount of change. For instance, sales increased by 20%. Number 5. From. To. This is used to describe the range of change over time. For example, the number of employees rose from 150 to 200. Number 6. Between and. This is used to describe changes occurring within a specific period. For instance, the temperature fluctuated between 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. These prepositions help clearly convey the specifics of trends in your writing. Hope this video is useful for you. Do follow Tiju's Academy for more informative tips. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.